So how do you show placeholders in a Google Sheets table? So the first thing you need to do is click over here and we need to set the column type. And so let's start with a date right here. Once we've done that, we need to go back to edit column type and then down here at the bottom, check show placeholders. And it's going to show a placeholder just like that. And so let's look at the other date placeholder. So we can do date time and it shows that placeholder there, or we can go to just time and show it just like that. So you can always change this to whatever date type you need, and then it'll go up just like that. All right, so next let's look at a text field. So this one, again, edit column type, and we're going to select text, and then we need to go back again to show that placeholder. And then this will just be whatever the header is. And so if we put name, for example, it's going to show name. Or we could do something like type here. It'll show type here just like that. All right, so let's look at smart chips. So if we go edit column type and go to smart chips, select people, you can see now it shows name. We can change this to a different smart chip type if we want to go to file or go through these just like that. Now, one thing you may run into, so for example, if we do this and then we go to a different one, you may have this error pop up, and because some of these column types have something in there. So all you have to do then is clear this out and then those will show up. So another case that this might happen is if you go from checkboxes and then go to something else like smart chips again, you'll have that error because checkboxes fill with false by default. So if that happens, just clear those out and then it'll go to what you need right there. All right, so let's look at numbers now. So numbers, we can check, we got number here. And so again, go back, show placeholder, and then it shows up just like that. We can do an amount here as well. So currency, and then do show placeholder. It shows up just like that. And then finally for percent, over here, do percent, and it'll show up just like that. So I have not shown some of these. We kind of saw those before a little bit, but like drop downs, it's just going to show that drop down. So that doesn't make a difference with the placeholder. Same thing with checkbox. Obviously that checkbox is showing up there as well. And if you ever need reset, just go back to none. And then again, if you had checkbox, something like that, you may have to clear out what was existing there. Now, one thing that's kind of goofy with tables can be how it displays. And so for example, you can see here, it has no decimal places. So if we select this whole column, we can just hit this currency right here. You can see now it has the cents. Now that does not work when we go to percentage. We hit percentage. We can even select this one here. It doesn't show up any differently. And so if we hit, for example, here, this one isn't showing the decimal places either. So some of this formatting is a little goofy. I hope they make it a little more clear as we come up on it, but that's how it works for now. And so even if we change it like this, it's still just showing that. So let me know down in the comments below what formatting things you run into or any shortcuts or secrets you've discovered with formatting in the new tables. And then make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. As always, have a great day.